Hello and welcome back to growNglow channel. My name is Pascal. Today I am going to talk about peppermint. Peppermint like people use in their tea and upset, and how easy it is to propagate peppermint. You see, I have an abundance of it here, and I have them in these big basins. I have them in these big basins for a reason. It's because peppermint grows like a strawberry across the ground like this, and when you want to propagate them, you just put something in the way, another pot, and it will grow in that, and then you have another plant, and then you can give it away to your friends, because it does not have deep roots, so there's no point in having a deep pot. So these old basins, I have them for 2 years. I use them to propagate. Peppermint is a cross between watermint and spearmint, and you can grow spearmint from seed, and you can with limited success, you can grow watermint from it. But to grow peppermint from seed is almost near impossible. Most people will just grow it from cuttings because it's so easy to grow. As you see, I already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 done, 6 done already here. I will show you how I do them. You can make a little fork like this to go down into them, to hold them down if you like. But what I do, I'm just going to tell you what I do, not necessarily what you have to do. But when you have a big wide one, this one is a much bigger plant, so that's why I have one here. I can make 2 from this one, right? From this stalk here. You don't cut them off, leave them for a couple of weeks, and then you can sever them from the mother plant. So I just take back a little bit of the leaves off them here, like this. And I'm going to do 2 off this shoot here, because this shoot has 2 nice long ones on it. You don't have to be fussy at all. They will grow, believe me. And then I get them. You can take up one that's growing in the ground like this, which already has roots in it. You can pull it up out. You see the way that one has roots in it? You can stick that one in if you like. But for the purpose of this one, we are saying you don't have that. And so I will just get this one, and I will push it down into the soil here like this. Nothing further, nothing more, nothing complicated. Push it down. If it's not staying down, get a couple of skewers and hold it down, and then leave it. And then we will do the same with the sister here. So you can put, that's why I have the basin. It's so easy to put them in here like this. Try not to break the stem going across the top of the pot. If it's broken a little bit, it won't be a problem at all. So we will do one more over on this side. I have this one here. It's a nice long one. I have 2 here at the back already done as well, and I think they already have roots. But I only put them in about 4. When did I put them in? Saturday, so 4 days ago. No, I will leave them for a couple of more days. And as you see, they're down 4 days. They are growing like normal. So they're doing 2 things. They are growing from the mother plant still. They are getting nourishment from the mother plant through the roots. And they are making their own roots as well. So I'll just pull back a bit of this one here. This stem is a bit on the thick side. Yeah. Make sure you have one place where you've taken off the leaves, at least one. And then I will just push that down in here, like that. They bend reasonably easy. Don't worry about them being straightened in the pot. You're going to put them into a bigger pot later on. And then I put these in the semi-shade. I don't put them in the full shade. I let them have some sun. But I keep them nice and damp. They get sun in the morning, and the midday sun, no, we don't give them to. We don't give it to our peppermint at all, because it's so. Here's another one here you could use. Like here, I will get another pot and put that one on it. And then I'm overcome with the smell of peppermint here at the moment, because the infusion of it here and here straight, I'm in a peppermint garden. And it's nice. It keeps insects away quite a bit. You can use it to make tea. Some people, like grandmother here, choose it, and you can dry them out to make tea. You can put them on a salad if you wish. There's lots of things you can do with peppermint. You can add them to an ice cream. your own ice cream you're making or something like that. Some people will make a tea out of it if they have a head cold and they find that it relieves their nostrils. Some people use it for that. And so peppermint, oh, you should have it in your garden. Most places will stay, and most places it will keep all year round, but if you're up in the northern part of the US, you will probably put it in a pot and bring it inside for the winter. So they are very, very hardy. As you see, this is the one we put in 4 days ago. You can see the roots already coming up, and that wasn't pushed down very far. We didn't pull the leaves off this one. It still grew some roots down into the soil. So we'll put it back in there. But it will grow either way. It's better if you cut it back. The roots will grow quicker. So, thank you very much for watching this short video. And if you like this one or any of our other ones, please consider subscribing.